I once dropped a stone off the side of a boat just to see how long it would take to hit the bottom. I waited and waited, but it never did, at least not while I was watching. That's when it hit me. We have no idea just how deep the ocean really is. Sure, we've mapped the moon's surface in more detail than the ocean floor, but just how far down does it go? And what's hiding in the darkness? Let's start with a fact that blows most people's minds. The average depth of the ocean is about 12,100 feet. That's over 2 miles down. But that's just the average. The real jaw-dropper is the deepest point, the Mariana Trench. Specifically, a spot inside it called the Challenger Deep. It's over 36,000 feet below the surface. That's nearly 7 miles down. If you dropped Mount Everest into it, the peak would still be more than a mile underwater. To put that in perspective, commercial airplanes fly at about 35,000 feet. So next time you're on a flight, look out the window and imagine that same distance going downward into pitch black water, crushing pressure, and temperatures just above freezing. But what really lies down there? Light disappears within the first 1,000 feet. Below that, it's total darkness. Yet somehow, life finds a way. We're talking about creatures that look like aliens, glowing jellyfish, giant squid with dinner plate eyes, and fish with transparent heads. Scientists even discovered a type of snailfish that survives deeper than any other known fish, living in conditions that would crush a human submarine like a soda can. And here's the creepiest part. We've explored less than 5% of the ocean. That means 95% of Earth's largest ecosystem remains a mystery. There could be entire species, even underwater civilizations, that we've never seen. Not to mention trenches, underwater volcanoes, and canyons deeper than anything on land. Why haven't we explored more? Because going down there is like exploring another planet. The pressure increases by about 1,000 pounds per square inch for every 33 feet. At the deepest point, it's over 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. That's like having 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. And yet, in 2012, filmmaker James Cameron piloted a submersible all the way to the Challenger Deep, alone. It was a journey into the unknown, and even he described it as eerie, silent, and surreal. So how deep is the ocean, really? Deep enough that we still don't fully understand it. Deep enough to hide things we haven't even imagined. And deep enough to remind us that for all our technology and knowledge, there are still places on this earth that remain untouched, unseen, and utterly mysterious. And maybe that's the most exciting part of all, knowing that there's still so much more to discover right beneath our feet.